Man, all I want to know is it's summer yet, because dang, it's cold out here. Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give this 1976 FJ55 some love. It hasn't had some love in the past couple weeks just because I have so many other projects going on right now. So today we're going to do a cap, rotor, and some plugs, as well as a condenser and some points. I've already done some spark plugs and some other little things, like I rebuilt the Weber carburetor last week and got that on, and it just needs some points and a condenser to really get it moving again. So come along, we're going to do a quick little service of this guy, and we'll see you in the video. Here's the rebuilt Weber 3236. I didn't go through that process as there's a whole bunch of videos on rebuilding one of these. This was my first carburetor I've ever rebuilt. Somewhat fairly easy. Just make sure you lay out all your parts. But she's all clean, back on there. Linkage is all good. So these are the points right here, and we're going to be taking those out and putting a new one in. This is the condenser right here, so we'll get that off here shortly. I leave for one day and I come back to this. I thought we talked about this. It's supposed to be summer now, not more winter. So right now we have all the maintenance stuff in the truck. I couldn't get it started, wasn't getting spark. So I think that the coil is subject of interest. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that guy out. I have a brand new one, so we're gonna get a coil in there, see if we can get it to turn over after all that maintenance stuff. Put this new one in. Got the new coil in. Gonna go ahead and put the cap back on. See if we can fire up, see what happens here. So is the coil, she's running. Woo-wee! So it's not running great right now, but she is running after sitting for a couple weeks. I think that's due to the bad gas that's in the tank. I need to put new gas in it or drain that stuff out, but it is running. Hey there everybody. We're out here in a snowstorm out in Virginia, and I hope you really enjoyed this last episode. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos, as it keeps me motivated to get out here in the middle of the snowstorm to go pick up these rigs and work on them. So cheers, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.